Hi, my name's Danielle. I'm the agency marketing manager here at Revenue Growth Agency. And to begin our journey into collecting first party data, I'm going to take you through the first couple of steps in getting some server side tracking set up. Now, the first important thing to mention is just that you will need Google Tag Manager implemented across your site. So if you don't already have that set up, go ahead and do that as you would normally. So get in touch with your IT team, your development team, or your agency that you're using for website support and make sure that that's all above board and all working correctly. Now, we're going to be using Stape.io as your third-party server-side tracking. We don't have a partnership with them. It's just who we would recommend using. It's the platform that we use with all of our clients, and it works in conjunction with Google Tag Manager as a cloud-based server. So to get started, the first thing you're going to need to do is just set up a new container within Google Tag Manager. So in order to do that, just head across to your Google Tag Manager dashboard. You're then going to create your workspace if you don't already have one. Click on these three dots and create container. Now you'll want to name your container something really easy. So potentially just your brand name and then tagging server or server container, something like that, that we know that it's going to be coming from that Stape server, opposed to what you already have set up. You're then going to want to choose. So if we just put in server side, you'll then want to choose this option, server, for server-side instrumentation and measurement, and click create. Once you've done that, you will be greeted with this box to install Google Tag Manager. Now, because we're using Stape, we want to manually provision the tagging server. So you're going to click on this, and then you'll want to copy this container configuration code somewhere onto your clipboard. So whether you just kind of Command C and paste it into your notes, or you keep hold of it, you will need that. We're going to head over to Stape now. The rest of the setup will be dealt with in there. So I will see you in just a second. Once you've opened your Stape account, you'll be greeted with this workspace. And the first thing we'll need to do is create an SGTM container. So head across to here and click create container. Now, name your container something sensible. So let's go RGA equals server, as it matches the GTM container that we already have. And the container configuration is that really long code that we've just pasted. Now, your server location needs to match where the majority of your customer base is. So if you're a UK-based brand and most of your customers are situated in the UK, you'll want your server location to be a UK location. It automatically is set to US West, but you can change it to whichever you think is more suitable. You'll then click create container. You'll be greeted with whatever plan that you want. So just have a think about how much traffic is being driven to your website and just choose the right plan accordingly. And once you've entered in all of your billing information, you just need to select. We'll just use a free account now for now, and you'll be greeted with this. And that is your server-side cloud-based server set up. This is all you need to do today. I'm going to be handing over to my colleague and our data specialist, David, for the next couple of steps. Things get a little bit trickier, but hopefully we'll make it as simple as possible for you. See you soon.